So I'm done with my workout for today, and I'll be leaving, of course, going back home. Then I have a few errands that I want to do today, and I'm planning to vlog today. So it's been a while since I vlogged like my entire day, so I'm gonna do that today because I've been really busy. But I'm sure with time we'll get to know like what's been happening, what I've been up to, you know. So yeah, so I'm feeling like that because I'm very tired. Yeah, and I'm done with my workout for today. See you in a bit. I'm feeling fresh from shower, yeah. So when I came back from the gym, I mean, I don't know why, but on Mondays it's usually very hard to work out when you go to the gym. Like your body is usually very tired, and I don't know. I just feel like Mondays are not good for me for the gym, but you have to do what you got to do because you know at the end of the day these things don't come easy, so you just have to work out anyway. So I washed my hair, feeling fresh. Yes, but I need to straighten it before I leave my house today. So right now I'm in the kitchen and I need to fix some smoothie for me. So I'm going to use banana, mango and spinach. Then I have a glass of milk. So the next thing I'm gonna put is moringa. I was given this by a friend of mine called Dadaski because he saw that I love smoothies, so he brought me this so that I can be using it to spice my smoothies. So you'll get to meet Dadaski next week on my vlog, and yeah, I'm so happy that he gave me this, and I'm gonna use it for the first time, by the way. Before I put it in the fridge, let's just taste. You see, it's really nice. So of course, and thanks again Dadaski for bringing me the moringa because I think it just made my smoothie so good. And for the people who make moringa, thank you. I need to check my mails, respond to a few people before I leave the house, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I think I might even carry my laptop because I have a lot of work to do, so this might continue even when I get to Westlands. I have an appointment for 11. Hey good people, so I'm leaving my house right now. I need to go to the salon, and where I'm going is a place where I did my tattoo. So the good thing about these guys is that they say that they saw my video and then they're like, you know what, Christine, next time you want to do your hair, come, we'll do it like in-house. So I'm very happy because yeah, I mean, like I got something out of it. So I'm going to do my hair, and then again, you know, you never know what will happen next. So leaving my house now. I've checked my mails, I've responded to mails, and yeah, so let's do this. Let me just finish this and then I'll leave to Westlands and fix my hair. At least today I'm gonna dedicate it to me because I've been working and working, but yeah, I think it's time I need to give me some time, like give me, you know, a break. And then you see my hair, it's straight now. Yeah, I straightened it. So guys, see you in Westland School. This is where my appointment is, and my appointment is with Rapunzel Hair Affair. They're located in Westlands, so in Arcade building. So this is the place. It's very beautiful, as you can see. When you get in, of course, there's a nice reception. That white tea that I spoke about last time. If you watch my last video of my first tattoo experience, this is where I got it from. What's up guys, I'm finally at Rapunzel Hair Affair, and as you can see, my hair is being fixed by these amazing beautiful ladies with nice hairstyles they are having. Yeah, so I also want to look as pretty as they are, so you'll be able to see everything, like of course the whole process. It started a while back, but yeah, like we're doing it together, so just don't move anywhere, don't go. If you want wigs, if you want weaves, you can come to this place. And then they also do tattoos. I think I explained a little bit last time, but if you want to be tattooed, you can also come here. And now they're doing my hair, like braiding my hair, and I thank this team so much. I thank you guys so much for, you know, for doing it for me. And of course, I think you'll be seeing me more and more coming to this salon. As you can see, it's very neat. The way they're doing it, it's very neat. I got here, I think at around 11:30. They started braiding my hair at around 11:30, and trust me, it went so fast. And they're adding more braids. Like it's I'm using Abuja, which is very long braids, but they're adding more to make it even longer. So can you imagine, within 2 hours you're able to, all this is able to be done. They're very quick at it, and it's not painful. You know, there's some places when you go, you can't do something else when they're braiding your hair. But these guys, I'm able to work, and I'm able to, you know, I'm able to work, chat, and still, you know, smile, because it's not that painful. It's very, I'm glad I came here. The lady who's fixing my hair, her name is Carol. You can follow her on IG. I'll leave her details on my description box. Even the guy for tattoo, I'll leave his details on my description box. And even if you want hair, I'll leave Jen's details as well. So guys, you can check all these if you want to come here to make your hair, or you want to come and get a wig, or you want to come get a tattoo, or you want to come and, you know, do your makeup. They do quite a number of things. And Awesome is the guy who does, you know, the tattoo. Yeah, his name is Awesome. It's like awesome. Yeah. Thank you to Team Rapunzel Hair Affair for making my hair. Like, of course, I'll stay with it for so long. I really needed it because I have a wedding on Saturday. So thank you guys so much. And I think they have such an amazing team. And at least I was in the mood. I'm wearing black like the rest of the team. So yeah, so you know, sometimes when you're doing these things, you have to be in the spirit. And I'm glad I've been in the spirit. So when I was leaving home, of course, yeah. So guys, this is the place to come and make your hair. Cool. So guys, my hair is done with, like, there's only dipping it on hot water, or is it in hot water? Yes. So if you want to make your hair like mine, kindly visit Rapunzel Hair Affair in Westland, so in Arcade. And you can also check Jane the Stylist on IG, and you can also check Carol Braider on IG as well, right? Yeah. So this is the place I got my tattoos from, and the same place I'm getting my hair done. And yeah, guys, feel free to visit. Thank you so much for watching, by the way, and see you again next time.